Andrew, your risk management dearer than go charge now. Jada, she is get caught with 2 guns.
Blessed day, my viewers and my subscribers. Before me jump into the topics, may I beg you to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Now, the topics coming up in this video. Prime Minister Andrew Holness in more problems after Jada Sheves got just a $800,000 charge for bringing gun in Jamaica. Jada actually responds and says bringing the gun to Jamaica was a mistake. Dancehall artist Ayaktain get disrespected by a woman and accuse him of not helping his community. Yanni Curvy Diva exposes the Jamaica Public Service for overcharging her in her latest light bill. So yes, people, the first thing we're going to talk about is Jada Sheves responding to bringing the strap in Jamaica. You understand, people? So let's get into this article, because trust me, a lot of persons are upset right about now, but we'll soon get into all of that. So the article says, Jada Sheves says bringing gun to Jamaica was an honest mistake, declaring that she had no criminal intent. American entrepreneur and social media star Jada Sheves says bringing her gun along on a private jet to Jamaica was an honest mistake and that she had learned her lesson. Sheves and an associate, Gregory Wright, were charged on Monday after 2 9mm pistols and 15 rounds of ammunition were found in their possessions as they were trying to depart the Sangsters International Airport. On Wednesday, they pled guilty to the charges in the Western Regional Gun Court in Montego Bay, St. James, and were fined a total of 1.6 million Jamaican dollars, approximately 10,600 US dollar. Sheves was in Jamaica at the time, celebrating her 24th birthday. While the 2 firearms were legally obtained in the United States, they were classified as illegal in Jamaica since Sheves and Wright had no permit to take them onto the island. Thank you for all your concerns, she wrote on Instagram story yesterday. We are good and out of court. It was an honest mistake, and believe me when I say I learned my lesson. The YouTuber was represented by Martin Thomas, who told the Jamaica Star that she, Sheves, was advised that they could have traveled to Jamaica with the firearm. You can't rely on someone else's advice, whether it be travel agents or another person, as an individual with a legal firearm. You have to do your own checks, and that's where it was her fault, Thomas added. However, commentators like dancehall selector and producer Foota Hype were left fuming yesterday after Sheves and her companion promptly paid their fine and departed the island. Jules Santana have him gone and go in at airport and forget say him have the gun and him run out of the airport and cut. Still 2 years him get a prison, Foota said during the Instagram live on YouTube in reference to the rapper who took a gun into New York Era Airport in 2018. Some don't understand what kind of powers them have for cross international waters and enter a foreign country and get arrested, and within a day and a half you gone home. This look away. I'm not say if them can be non-Jamaican and come violate the country, so why Tommy Lee R. Laden wasn't given the opportunity to pay a fine and go home? He continued. In March 2021, dancehall star Tommy Lee Sparta was sentenced to 3 years after he pleaded guilty to illegal possession of a gun and ammunition, while dancehall artist Laden was sentenced to 4 years for the same charge after he too pleaded guilty in December 2020. When one follower pointed out that Tommy Lee Sparta's illegal gun was reportedly linked to 2 murders, Foota responded, Jamaican police don't know if Sheves and Wright gun have body on them. Them don't even know if since them there, them put nobody on them. Ballistics now come back in a 2 days. So how the case done within 2 days? Foota added, you know how much man they in a jail, 4 or 5 years await from ballistics. Sheves, who is also known as Jada Wader, is the mother of rapper Little Baby's son. According to her lawyer, the incident will not affect her future travel to Jamaica. Thomas also laid blame on the Jamaica Custom Agency for the blunder. They are allowed to travel with their firearm as long as it is in a firearm safe, but the blunder I lay on the foot of the customs. He said what usually happens is the firearm is checked on the airline to notify custom that a firearm is on board, and then custom should meet the plane to take control of the firearm and then hand it over thereafter. Once they ensure the holder had the requisite permit. At the same time, there was a mishap which caused the firearm to be handed over to her. According to the Star, neither defendant was required to surrender their fingerprints to the police. My client even asked me when they finished if she should be able to come back to Jamaica because she loves Jamaica. She had a great time, and her ladyship Justice Wilshire said she is free to come back anytime she wants. Thomas shared, it's just unfortunate that she came to celebrate her 24th birthday, had a lovely time, but it was just this situation that put a damper on it. In her Instagram post yesterday, Chavez said, I had a ball out here in Jamaica, best birthday ever. So yes, people, no feel like say because she is an American citizen, that's why she basically get a slap on the wrist. You understand? Because you have to call that a slap on the wrist, to be honest. $800,000 is nothing to her. You understand? Even if them did say, yo, you have to pay $5 million, that still would not really be a lot of money to her. You understand, people? Because these girls or these people, I should have said them have their money. You understand what I say? I remember say little babies are man, and them man they a easy thing that film do. You understand? So let me know where you think about this. And the next thing is, me I listen to Repeat this morning, and them actually show say, yo, the Jamaica government, people like them, seeing these celebrities, look on the Jamaica government as a joke because them can come in the country and go so babs and just get you with that, which means more of them are going to probably come and try it. You understand what I say? And Mrs. Repeat actually goes so babs and play a video which proves, say, in a Jamaica, you definitely have two different laws. You understand what I say? One for the rich and one for the poor. Even though we already know that, you know. In other words, then, in my point out, say a long time you have people who get fined for having a gun in Jamaica. You understand? He also played a video, not a video, an audio where the commissioner was speaking and something like that. I'm going to play the audio as well, people, and this will kind of highlight the corruption what go on in a Jamaica. You see my people? And honestly, if we never see all them things here, would have probably have said, sure, I gone legal in America, man. That's why she get away and she just pay the fine. But there's actually a lot to this, you know, people. But listen this.
It cannot be that in a Jamaican context, where murder is as it is, and 85% of murders are with a gun, that we can accept that the persons who are walking around with the gun can get fines.
Yeah, man. So after listening to that, you can tell that he was speaking and persons just getting fines for walking around with guns. You understand what I say? And obviously, as I say, this applies to certain people. Only certain people get to benefit from that, which is why Foota Hyper say, yo, man like Laden supposed to, you know, him supposed to just pay a fine and come out of prison and thing. You understand? Same things should apply to Tommy Lee Sparta. But the thing with that, no, you know, people, if them ever do that, a whole heap of people would have to get let out as well. A whole heap of fine would have just have to pay and done, which means that people would have just look on it say, here what? I can just walk around with a gun, you know, and just pay a fine if me get catch with it or whatever the case may be. Is the woman say, people. So as we can see, I guess Jada Chavez, I don't know if she get lucky or what, but all the people, as you know here, them upset and thing. I got also play a video footage now where somebody call out Andrew Holness. Yes, people, you know, say female name did I forget calling and all of this. You see, people, so check this out.
Andrew, your risk management dearer than God charge now. Jada Shees get caught with 2 guns and get charged and fined $800,000. And you have 17-year-old round here in a Jamaica, in a own country. Just trim now wear a mask. You charge him $200,000. And the next woman, she outside after 9 or whatever the time is after your curfew hours in our own country, you know, brother, and walking outside, you know, and not wearing a mask. Them 2 charge there and your charge are $700,000. Anjo, brother, I put a boil up, you know. Your time are forward, you know, brother. Judgment.
Yeah, man, so, boy, this brother here talk about the the mask where the woman never have on and all of them little thing there, you see me? The $700,000 charge, even though it is said that the woman was keeping a party and the big charge was actually for keeping a party, you see me? The policeman went to court and said the woman did have over 200 persons at her home, and at that she get the big charge for you. So man say, according to them, those 15 people they did and thing, but them they definitely catch the woman on the road as well without a mask, and that charge alone was $100,000, I believe. Is what master people. And guess what? The full total charge was over $1 million, you know. But because she begged the court for leniency, or the judge, me should have said, the judge actually reduced it to 600,000, near $700,000, like 697,000 or something like that. So, you know, a lot of persons are look on the system where foreigners can come into Jamaica and get away with this, but the local people them have to suffer, you see it. So I don't know, people, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. So now we're going to talk about dancehall artist Ayaktian being bashed by a woman, and according to this woman, Ayaktian now do nothing for him community. He only come on the internet, talk about Andrew Wellness this, Andrew Wellness that, the government this, the government that. You see my people, so I'm not even an itch. Listen what the lady have to say.
Pussy mouth Ayaktian. Remember, you know, do nothing for your community, you know. You talk about Andrew Wellness. The man, them America should have shit you. When them tell you to come out of the car park, I shot them, she not shot your pussy.
Yeah, man. So, I mean, she have a right for have her own opinion, you know. There are certain parts in it where I don't like what she say, like the part when him they are foreign, the man them should have SHOOT him. You see me? I don't really like them thing there where you wish down certain things from people. I definitely have to say she wrong for that. But I'm not the first person me hear say Ayaktian no do nothing for him area or do nothing him just come on the internet and talk. But at the end of the day, still, you know, people, at least me can agree say Ayaktian come out and certain things where him say me have to agree with. You understand what me say? Whole heap of injustice are going, and from what day me see him as burn a real fire. I'm also see him set up a little thing where it seems like him go help some youths who can't read and write or something like say, you see it? So maybe she don't really know about them thing there. But it seems like Ayaktian, him dep on the part for start help some people rather than just use him mouth and talk and them thing. You see my people? But as me say, everybody free for have them opinion. And this woman here just advise for her opinion. Feel like say Ayaktian need to leave Andrew Wellness alone. Why she sound like a real JLP supporter, you see me? But anyway, people, let me know anything about this in the comment section. I know we're going to talk about Yannick Curvy Diva exposing JPS, the Jamaica Public Service, and showing say them a overcharge her upon her latest bill. You understand? Now Yannick says she's not even at home, but yet still her bill a come to so much. Not sure if she's in Jamaica or not, or if she means that she not really there yard, maybe she there our business or whatever it may be. You understand what I say? So this is what she actually posts up, and you can see it, people, for 1 month, yo, $63,000. You understand what I say? $63,757, and the due date is September the 26th. So you know say this already gone, but you don't know say she still a point out say that is her bill, and she say, yo, walk keep on me yard, I must dance. Me not even there home, they must have mix up the house. You see it, people, and we see a lot of persons been saying that, yo, JPS I rob them. We see a lot of people go down at JPS and make nice. I say, yo, oh, my light bill so high, me not there home and thing and thing. You see me? I even think Ayaktian actually did burn them out as well. I say, yo, him not there home, but him receive a high light bill or something like that. You see me? I think Ayaktian was overseas at the time. You see it, people. So I don't know what going still. I don't even think she can't even go down at JPS, go to nothing. And the reason why these things happen, people, like me say, a one light company in a Jamaica, and this how the government go wrong. We need to have choices, you understand? When one of the foolishness, we need to get rid of them and go to somewhere else, you understand? You can just imagine if a digital alone did that in a Jamaica, or even Flow. Just imagine, people, you see me? Make one more phone network come in a Jamaica, and you're going to see the whole heap of drastic drops and all them things there, because the next company will come in, have to go come with better rates and better service than the two of them with about now, you know. So when people switch, you're going to automatically see, you know, I do so business in general. So we need to have varieties and choices in Jamaica, or the people are going to forever feel it. So we need a next light company in Jamaica, you see it. But anyway, people, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. Bless upon yourself and keep safe. I'm out.